friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Oakjoy A1 Pro console. So friend, the A1 Pro is the first handheld gaming console to officially feature AMD's Ryzen 7 7840U Phoenix APU, and it looks like this processor will be only option available for this device, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads based on Gen 4 architecture and AMD's most powerful integrated GPU called Radeon 780M with 12 RDNA 3 compute units. And friend, this console features an 8-inch and 1200p screen and up to 64 GB of memory. Such option is very uncommon for a handheld gaming product, simply because there are very few use cases where such memory is required, and earlier information suggested that the console will launch with 16 GB memory, but this has been upgraded to 32 GB for the base model, and storage option will include 512 GB and 1 TB with 2 TB option for the most powerful variant. And according to the company's announcement, it will be launched on 30th April and it will be available at $799 as super early bird reward, and this means that vast majority gamers will have to pay more. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.